My name's Natasha, I'm Senior Account Manager at Conteur, and I'm here today to bring you my 5 top tips on how to fill your care home bed spaces. I've been working with care home clients for around 4.5 years now, and in fact my very first client was a care home owner who ran 2 outstanding CQC care homes in Oxfordshire, and I'm still working with them today. There is no doubt that these are very challenging times for care homes right now. Not only are care home owners having to consider the health and well-being of their own residents and staff, they also need to reassure the public that the care homes are a safe place for their loved ones and for those that require around-the-clock care. So, apart from your role of providing top quality care, here are my 5 top tips to increase those enquiries into your home and welcome those new residents in. Tip number 1. Don't rely on just one PR activity. It's a busy media landscape out there. Your home needs to be promoted across many different platforms, including social media, online, press, and being able to engage with your community. Make sure the public know about you and what they hear about you is good. A care home should be at the heart of the community. Tip number 2. Understand your USP. It's no good promoting you are a large luxury care home if in fact you're a small family-run care home. Identify your target market, understand your key messages, and communicate these to the right type of audience to attract the right type of people to your home. Tip number 3. That's not news. It's surprising the amount of care home managers and activity coordinators I speak to who have a lovely story to tell but don't think it's newsworthy. The news like to hear about people and people like to read about people, so make good use of this. Your residents will have some amazing stories to tell, so be aware of these and be aware of what the local media will want to report on, and this includes TV, radio and press. You may just find that a story that you thought was of no interest will suddenly go viral. Tip number 4. Your website and social media platforms should be updated regularly. This will not only support SEO, but will give a real insight into your home. This is your opportunity to really sell your home before that inquiry or tour. Keep your website and social media platforms updated with regular news, photos and advice, and this will convey your image and positively showcase those USPs that we've already discussed. Tip number 5. Don't dismiss Google AdWords. This could really work for you and make you stand out from your competitors. When organic searches aren't working for you, paid advertising will. But they take time to set up, need careful planning, and need continual tweaking and monitoring. You need to ensure those paid clicks turn into inquiries. And there you have it, my 5 top tips for filling your care home bed spaces.
And don't forget the penguin.
Oh yeah, the penguin. Seriously, doing something quirky at your home, like inviting a penguin in, can generate some really good PR and showcase that you're thinking of your residents and doing something special for them. Just a thought.